Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel and welcome to Pinky. Today I'm going to get everything off the bike and move the bike into the middle of the garage, and I'm going to attempt to fit what you can see here, the engine. I have measured the height from this piece of wood which the bike is sitting on to this bolt hole here, and I've gone to the dolly which the engine is sat on, and I've measured the same. It's slightly lower, but I have a jack, so what I can do is put the jack under the trolley, jack it up a bit, and hopefully that bolt will go through. If I do have any problems, I will cease and desist. I did forget, this is an episode of Project Pinky. You will have to excuse me because I haven't done a film on this bike. Oh, sorry. I bought a new tripod, but it's still kind of clicky like the old one used to be. And I think when I went to Monmouth, I think I accidentally left it in a field. Very possible. Right. I think what I'm going to have to do is remove the side stand mechanism, because there's a bracket inside there, and yeah, that's not going to go, well, it might not, I don't know. We might have to line things up first. Unplug that wire. I did put the loom, parts of the loom in. I can't remember if I did film it. I think I did. So, okay, what I need to do is put some cardboard on these brackets, because the last thing I want to do is damage the paintwork. Here goes nothing. Actually, it might work that way. Oh God, that's scary. Turn the wheels. Or wheel. I'm going to have to get some foam for that. Okay, so get this bit of cardboard out of the way, or a bit of board. How much can you see? I don't know if I caught that much of that on camera. Okay. Well, you can see how much higher the engine is compared to the bike, and the engine has to lean forward. Any bolts holding this on? Yeah, the wing mirror. I'm going to come back after I've got this wing mirror off and I've got the front end off of the bike. This is possibly the worst idea, but I'm on my own here. This is like the worst idea. It's not working. Don't try putting an engine on your own, especially when you've got a big heavy Kawasaki. This did not work, did it? This really did not work. It's stuck on something. Yeah, doing stuff on your own. Oh, I don't want to do that. Stop on something. Oh, baby, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. That was not a good idea. Too far to the front of a piece of wood. Is it possible to do it that way? It might work. So I'm running ideas through my head. See, this bike was basically the start of the channel, and recently it's kind of been upsetting to see it kind of be neglected. So it's quite, you know, I need to do something about this. And oh, buckets are in the way. I don't know if this is going to work or not, guys. I can't even see the bricks. Can you? No, too far forward. There we go. Put it back a bit. Okay, so put the bike on its back end. Because weight on the back of the bike is always advantageous. Now, I know it's not quite as high as it was with the bucket. Things if it tilts forward too far, it might. I don't want it to tip over. You know what I mean? Drop bike pieces keep flying all over the shop. Literally. I really am not thinking straight today. Washer. Get that further over. Yeah, can. Right. Go, you dusty pinks. You're dusty. Right. Whoa. Stay. Stay there. You put a bucket underneath the wheel. In case it does drop, it won't drop so far then. It's got to go far back. Yeah, it's got to go further back, isn't it? Cable stuck underneath it. There we go. That's the very corner. I need to get our side stand off, it's not going to go in otherwise. Spacers in the top. Our spacers here. I think it's a long one this side. Short one the other. I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I really don't. But it's scaring the crap out of me anyway. Do I need to take that off, do you think? Yeah, I'd say so. Because it needs to get in between. Yeah, that needs to come off. Yep. 14, alright. I think most things on this bike are a 14 if I remember correctly. Let's put that bolt back in there so I don't lose it. Maybe I should have took the front wheel off. This is not going to happen. Guys, this is not going to happen. I can't do this on my own. So, I'm sorry. Let's move you a minute. I think you can call this a bit of a failure. Apart from the, well, I need more tools. And I need a second human, because I can't do this on my own. There's no way. I don't even have any way of lifting the engine with a hoist, because I mean it could be put on the floor and lifted. I don't have that kind of equipment, and even if I did, I don't know if the rafters in this garage will hold the weight. So yeah, sorry for the disappointing end to this film. I was really hoping I could do this. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll try and come back with a more successful video at some point, but I want this engine in as soon as I can, really. This engine has been out of this bike since 2016, I think. I can't quite remember. You'd have to go back through the videos in my playlists and everything for Project Pinky. I will put a link in the corner. But yeah, this has been this was the start, basically what I used to start the channel, and kind of, I mean there was a few things before that, but they weren't very good, so I deleted them. But no, I need to get this sorted out, I really do, and I've had enough of sitting around. And it's in worse shape than it was when it first got powder coated, let me tell you that. I can already see wear marks on this part of the frame here, where I've been moving past it to get to the car and getting tools and such. So yeah, Project Pinky is not going to be as nice as I'd hoped. But I thought I'd give it a try. There's no harm in trying these things. You have to try and figure it out, and you know, try and get as far as you can. But yeah, mini rant over. I'll see you in another film. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the links below. Feel free to support the channel in any way, any you know what I mean. Any which way you can. So yeah, bye bye.